Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have a meat thermometer.
We have a meat thermometer. And it's not just for meat. You can use this for oil, candy, baking to get the correct temperature and make sure that you're cooking to accurate measures. Go ahead and unbox that, Annalisa.
Here it is.
Let's take a look at this meat thermometer. All right.
Open it from here.
Now, depends which part of the world you live in. This can be used for Fahrenheit or Celsius. We are here in the United States, so we're going to choose Fahrenheit.
Ooh, look at that.
Minus 50 Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, or minus 58 Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can choose your Celsius, Fahrenheit, that top button there, and you hold and calibrate and alarm set. Got an auto off, and I believe this is for hanging on a hook, but also on the back it's magnetized. Got a built-in battery, backlit screen.
Comes with a battery too.
Yeah, an extra battery, or are we going to install it? We will find out.
We'll find out right now. It already has one.
It has one. So we have an extra battery. A CR2032. All right.
Does this come out?
Yeah, dual probe.
It's on?
Yeah, it is on. And we have another probe. This is for going through the oven door and taking a temperature of, say you got a chicken in the oven, you want it at a certain cooking temperature, and you can preset the alarm for that temperature, and when your chicken reaches a temperature, the alarm will go off and you'll know that your chicken is done. Alright, but real quick, let's take a glance at the instructions and then we will test it out. Okay, so Annalise is going to show you how to put on the backlit screen. Go ahead and press that top button, Annalisa. And there we go. Is the backlit screen. And this is also where you change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Go ahead and demonstrate that, Annalisa. You can tilt it up a little bit. We're centigrade right now.
There you go.
And change it to Fahrenheit. And we're at 70 degrees. And my hand is on the probe, so it's getting warmer. Okay, we are now going to calibrate our digital meat thermometer. Annalisa is going to assist me. Annalisa, go ahead and hit that backlight button and insert the probe into the icy water and press that calibration button for 5 seconds. Okay, it's going to say call. And then it's going to display the temperature. So we were right at 32. So it seems to be calibrated. Okay, we do not need to make any changes. If we needed to go higher, we could have hit the top button. That would increase it. If we needed to go lower, that hold calibration button, that would decrease it. But our meat thermometer seems to be calibrated correctly. And when you finish with your meat thermometer, the back is magnetized. You can go ahead and just stick it on your refrigerator. So our digital meat thermometer will take an instant temperature reading. Continuous. So we are cooking a nice juicy steak, and we're shooting for medium, which will be about 145 degrees. So we're about 130. Our steak is almost ready. Let's take a temperature reading of the center. And about 143. Yeah, this is done. Medium. This is medium. Medium temperature. Right in the center is about 143. This is how we want our steak cooked. Medium. So our steak is cooked to perfection. Now we just want to take a temperature reading of our bratwurst. 109 degrees Fahrenheit. So guys, Thanksgiving is coming up. So there's a way to set the temperature with an alarm. Now this bottom button right here, this is your alarm set. And you can preset the temperature by, with this button going down, or the top button, raising it higher. And you have a probe right here that goes into your turkey in the oven, attaches to this long cable, and plugs in on top of your meat thermometer. So your meat thermometer stays out of the oven. Then what you do is with the probe, you open the oven door, poke the center of the turkey, and go ahead and close the door. When your turkey reaches the desired temperature, the alarm will go off. So we'll put a link in the description where you may purchase this cool meat thermometer. Thanks guys for watching.